Hi, quick tour of the garden before we go into autumn. It's middle of July. My hydrangeas are still loving it because they're under the big cherry tree, so they don't get burnt. And I have so many rose cuttings developing, so within some weeks I'll have quite a few roses like that have grown and rooted. You see, they're all rooting. I'm really thrilled because sometimes, they put in rose cuttings and 50% of them take and maybe the majority don't take. So I've marked them all, and these are in a sand mixture. I'll put that on just now when I finish filming. So all of these are different cuttings I've taken this summer of roses I really want to reproduce. So I think if all of them take, this is a sage piece that as you see, even the little pieces are taking. I generally do it sort of at the end of the growing. So I mean, the roses, some of them are in their third flowering, but look here, you see how that's got leaves all over it, and now it will make roots. I find that the plastic bottle just keeps the leaves moist enough. Obviously you need decent drainage so you don't get mold, because fungus, they can die of that. So I mean, I just have this is my big antique rose in a pot. This is my Alba rose who's on her third flowering, third flush. Yeah, it's amazing. So there she is, just about to put out her new blooms. So yeah, but generally the roses are now sort of, well, they'll bloom until August, some of them. This little one is a new cutting. It went straight to blooming. It didn't even put on leaves. It just bloomed. So we'll see if it makes roots. But yeah. So there's that one. This one seems to be rooting as well. I'm really thrilled because some of these are roses I've wanted for a long time, and some of them are roses I want an extra copy of. That's an HT French lace, which is quite difficult to root. I don't know. HTs, sometimes hybrid teas are the hardest. And I've rooted a couple of Spirea extra and some more hydrangeas, this beautiful big pink, as I call it. It's a lovely shade of sort of dusty pink, but it starts off very intense, and then as autumn comes it'll turn more dusky, and then you can preserve them. They're lovely for the vase. And yeah, here I have some other methods of cutting. These have just gone in. Some of them are really starting to maybe think about putting out leaves, and these are rooted in sand mixture with a tiny bit of soil, and this one's in a sealed bottle. I'll show you that one. It's in a big bottle, and the lid is sealed, and I put the names on there, and that should grow quite soon, and I can pot them on and have lots of new roses. What am I rooting here? Tesset Herbivore, English rose, a nice yellow, the big red Henry Matisse is also rooting here. Rose de Recht, which is another antique rose I love. So there we are, just a bit of my rooting successes. There we are. So that's one method, and then as you know, I often do the other method, which I'll show you here, which is to put water in the bottle, and that one's also in leaf. But this year I find the soil method has been better because, you have to wait for the roots to develop before you can pot it on, whereas when it's in soil, it's already got the roots in the soil, and you can just pot it onto a bigger pot. This one is golden. Those are all the big red rose, and this is Blue Moon. I have my own Blue Moon over there in that corner of the garden, but she doesn't like it very much, so I took a cutting And I'm going to put her in the full sun because she likes that. She's kind of sulking in the other side of the garden. There we are. Some more big reds, some more antique roses, some more of the roses I love that are happily rooting here. Sometimes I run out of space and I have to put half a bottle, but anyway, it all helps. There we are, and that's a hydrangea that's also rooting.